Just come to share with you two more journals that I've made, and these are both Traveller's Notebook size. Traveller's Notebook size is 8 1/4 by roughly about 4 1/2, like with a cover. Pages are obviously just slightly smaller. Each one has one signature, and there is 92 pages front and back in each one. On both of them I have used two layers of cardstock, and then I've used this wallpaper, which has just got a slight texture to it, and then I've went over it with I think it was walnut stain. So the 2 layers of cardstock has been sewn onto the wallpaper, and they do feel really nice. I like the feel of the texture on the wallpaper. The images that I've used on the front are from my Porch Prints, and then I've just put these little labels down there. They both say journal. I've used digital kits from Tsunami Rose, ARTYmaze, and if there's anyone else I will mention that as I go along. Please excuse my throat. I've had a coldy thing for about 2 weeks now, and it doesn't seem to want to shift. Just when you think you're okay, boom, it's back again. It's a sneaky one. So if I haven't said already, these will be listed in my shop, and the link for that will be below as well. So we'll start with this one here, and there we go. We've got eyelets, we have string closure, and the digital prints on the main pages are from Tsunami Rose, and they are Charming Fragments. You can get that in a Traveller's Notebook size, and you can also get it in a normal journal size as well. So here we just have a pocket, and I've just done some layering here with a butterfly here from ARTYmaze, and I've managed to glue that down. I always panic when I glue it down. Ooh. So look at that, a tiny teeny little blob. There we go. So we have a doily and that embellishment. The tags, I've kind of done them just kind of rustic. I've just kind of tore them to shape, like folded them and tore them, kind of like that look at the moment. And there is a slight shimmer on the coffee dye and some stenciling. Then we have, this is from ARTYmaze, and this is actually a freebie. You can find that on her website and also on her Facebook group. Oh, this is from Dreams Etc. So I just attached it to some lined paper, and then you can do lots of journaling on that as well. And we have a journal card. I think that's from Christy Art Designs. A doily, some corner punching, paper bag. Things to Do is from Tsunami Rose, and this is the Old Design Shop. Got some crocheted fabric tabs. There is lots of places to journal. Here we just have a pocket. You could actually tuck something inside there as well, and I've just made that using some coffee dyed paper, folded it over, put some music paper on there, and that's, you've got a pocket. We've got an index card there with some stamping. It's been coffee dyed. This again is from my Porch Prints. Here we have a little tag which has been backed onto an index card and then inked up. This is a double pocket fold out from Terri Woods, and if you watch my videos, you know I do this all the time. And why doesn't that want to shut? There we go. And Terri is linked below, so is Climmy, Climmy Creations, so is Rita Donnelly, and because they're the ladies that I kind of do the pockets from. This is a Climmy's idea, and it just folds up, pops in the back. That's actually supposed to go in there, and then that there, another doily, paper bag, the Old Design Shop, so there's lots of various different papers from different digital artists. Another little tag, another journal card, another one of these, and the other one is very similar. We have some ephemera, and this is again another double pocket. Again, this is a Terri Woods idea. So if you go over to Terri's channel, you will see, I don't know if she's got a playlist with just these on them, I'm not 100% sure, but if you scroll through you will see that she's got her tutorials. I didn't want to go on there, and then that just pops in there. Got a little butterfly and a ticket. Excuse me. Flip up, flip down, has a little pocket there. Got it's a music paper pocket. This word here is from Dreams Etc. This is a little journaling card from Tsunami Rose, and I've just folded that in half and popped it in that way because it wouldn't go in that way. A heart, ticket, a butterfly, a doily. Here we just have some ephemera, and that's been backed onto an index card. This is from Dreams Etc. Another crocheted fabric tab, and this is a Rita Donnelly flip, and again a large tag tag from ARTYmaze, little journaling card, and then another one of these which has just been added onto some lined paper for some journaling. So that is that one. So this one's kind of got the pinkish butterfly topper on there, and then this one here, it's kind of all the same. We'll just do a quick flip on this, see if I can open it without getting it in a knot. So yeah, it's got the green butterfly on there from my Porch Prints. Again, it's Tsunami Rose, and not once have I checked to see if I'm in frame. Terri Woods pocket, just like the other one, all folds out in like that. That pops in there, that's from Dreams Etc. We have another climmies idea here, and pops in the back there. I think that just got caught on that. Is that going to go in? Yes, it is. And another one of these on the lined paper, and a big rustic tag, a doily. Like I said, it's more or less the same, just the digital prints are different. Flip up, flip down, got a little pocket there, little journaling card which just pops in there. It says fly away. It's got some cheesecloth, which I meant to pull some of that away so that it looked a bit tatty. Heart, ticket, butterfly, and journaling card on an index card, some ephemera, paper doily. Here's a Rita Donnelly flip. What I've done is I've actually made up a load of pockets, and I've like half decorated them, so when I need to use them I've just got to decide on what I'm going to put on here, like is it a ticket, is I'm just going to do some layering and a butterfly or a flower or whatever. So something to do when, you know, when you're not actually in the mood to make something, or you're sitting watching the TV, you can sit and do that kind of stuff. I know a lot of ladies take things into their like living room, TV room, and do it while they're watching the TV in the evenings, so that they're still spending time with their families. It's glued. Just got to be very careful. Do you know what? It's always just a teeny tiny bit of glue that's oozed out when I've glued it on. Here we go. And some more ephemera. Tag from ARTYmaze, a journal card. Little journal card there. Excuse me. I was listening to, well, not listening, but I was watching ARTYmaze's latest videos today, and she was talking about the subtitles that are showing up on people's videos. Now, I don't know if they're showing up on mine. I haven't got them set to show, but a lot of people I've seen haven't got them set to show either, but sometimes they're just popping up, so I don't know if it's a Facebook glitch. And she was saying that there was a naughty word that she didn't say, but because of her accent it said it in the subtitles, and she was mortified. So I just kind of like to say the same, because obviously I've got a little bit of a muddled accent, you know, Scottish but live in England, and you know, and if I've been on the phone to people back home in Scotland, my accent comes out even like really, really strong, or if I'm really angry, the Scottish comes out in me. So yeah, if you happen to be watching this and the subtitles are up and it doesn't make any sense, it's got nothing to do with me, or it comes up with you know, an inappropriate word, it definitely isn't me, because I wouldn't dream of saying anything inappropriate on YouTube. And if I was gonna, there'd be a big warning sign in the title of the video, so that if you didn't want to watch it, you know, you don't have to. But I don't think I've had to do one of them. I know some people have had to do them in the past, and I don't blame them. They're just expressing how they feel. But yeah, so I just thought I'd mention that as well. So yeah, that's the two journals. I will link everyone below. These are listed in my shop. That's linked below as well. If you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.